In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Google Calendar. This integration will help you manage your time more effectively by synchronizing your tasks and events seamlessly within Notion. Let's dive into the process and see how you can set this up for yourself. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download the Notion calendar, which is a versatile tool for managing your schedule within the Notion platform. It's essential to have the calendar view available in your Notion workspace to make the most of this integration. Once your Notion calendar is ready, the next step is to connect your Google account. This connection is crucial as it allows Notion to access the calendars associated with your Google account. Next, you'll be choosing which Google calendars you want to sync with Notion. Whether you have multiple calendars for different aspects of your life, like work, personal activities, or maybe a family schedule, deciding which ones you want to integrate will help you stay organized and ensure you're keeping track of all important events in one place. Once your calendars are synced, all the events will appear in your Notion calendar. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to view and manage your schedule directly from Notion without having to constantly switch between applications. Moreover, you can link these events to specific Notion pages, which can be particularly helpful for project management or keeping track of tasks related to meetings and events. One of the standout features of using Notion with Google Calendar is that it enables a two-way sync. This means any updates you make on Notion regarding your events, like changing the time, adding notes, or marking an event as complete, will automatically be reflected in your Google Calendar as well. Likewise, any changes you make directly in Google Calendar will show up in your Notion calendar. This synchronization ensures that your information is always up to date and consistent across platforms. For those who thrive on keeping all aspects of their workload neatly organized, this integration with Notion and Google Calendar is a game changer. It not only enhances your productivity by streamlining information management, but also reduces the chance of missing important deadlines or events because everything you need is right in front of you in real time. And there you have it. With these steps, you are now ready to make the most of your Notion workspace by integrating it with your Google Calendar. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and organization this integration brings to your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.